Currently, right now, when we go outside on a playground, we can easily identify the child who dominates the playground. And we can easily see that everybody else tends to follow in the same direction as the leader. But what happens when there's a new kid on the block? This exact same analogy can be adapted to real-world situations. Currently, right now, the United States dominates the playground. But there's a new kid on the block, and his name is China. Currently, right now, when asked the question today, is China becoming the world's new superpower? We can easily see how the answer is going to be yes, because of three main reasons. The rapid growth that China's economy is going through today, that China's economy is currently upholding other superpowers as well, and that China's economy has no intention of stopping. But first, I'd like to move back to my first point, that China's economy has rapidly grown in 2005. The New York Times, January 25th of 2006, tells us figures that China's economy in 2005 grew by 9.9%. The reason being due to domestic demands inside China. When examining China's economy closer, we can easily see how that there are crowded shopping malls, crowded restaurants, and other entertainment outlets as well are all being crowded. And not only that, but one economist gave us the example of the steel industry. It grew by 40% in 2005, but it's estimated right now to only grow at 10%. Easily seeing how China's economy grew 9.9%, and with the increasing domestic demand that's going to be occurring, we also have to keep in mind that China has to balance it out, which they're currently doing with the import and export system that they have, which is my second point. The import and export system that China has is uplifting and upholding other superpowers as well. Currently, the WashingtonPost.com, January 25th of 2006, estimates that China is the fourth largest economy in the world today. It has already easily surpassed Italy, Great Britain, and France. And we can easily see how with the rapid growing economy of 9.9%, China is going to surpass the United States right and left-hand men of Japan and Germany, easily taking them out with the rapid growing economy, with the import and export system, upholding imports and exports from both Japan and Germany as well. And so knowing this, and with the balancing out of the economy's growth, we can easily see why the growth is going to continue to happen, which brings me to my third point. The WashingtonPost.com, January 26th of 2006, also tells us that China has around 15 to 20% more room to grow. And this being, reasons being is that inflation has stayed at a healthy 1% with the Chinese currency system, or the yuan. And so balancing out the inflation and the domestic demands with crowded entertainment outlets, we can easily see how it's balanced out by the import and export system that China has going on with other superpowers in the world as well. And being the fourth, and if it's going to keep at a rapid growth of 9.9% each year, we can easily see how when asked today, is China becoming the world's new superpower? We can easily see how the answer is yes. Because if the United States is going to dominate the playground, it easily needs to realize and wake up that there's a new kid on the block, and they're coming up very quickly. Thank you.